Friends, welcome to the Eraser Squad. Each one looks small, but they've all got their own personality. Let's meet them one by one. Hey everyone, we're the Crayon Cousins. We're blue, aqua, and white. We're chunky, colorful, and fun to hold. We may look like crayons, but we're here to erase mistakes in style. Together, we're unbreakable teamwork. Choo choo! The carton stick eraser is here. Push me up like a and I'm ready to erase. I'm colorful, slim, and never get tired. Homework's a journey, and I'm the train that keeps it rolling. Greetings, humans. I am the electric eraser. I'm precise, fast, and smudge-free. This pack contains 2 plastic clip eraser, 8 pieces of 2.3 mm eraser, and 8 pieces of 5 mm eraser. While others rub slowly, I clean mistakes in seconds. Beep bop, efficiency 100%. Hi, I'm the pony eraser. Some kids play with me like a toy, but shh, I can erase too. I bring cuteness and a sprinkle of unicorn magic to every page. Nay! Vroom, I'm the wheel eraser from Domes. Built like a speedy wheel. I roll across a page and erase mistakes like a racer. Fast, round, and unstoppable. Who's ready for a race? I'm the blog boss. No tricks, no cuteness, just pure erasing power. Strong, sharp, and professional. When you need a clean page, you can always count on me. Yo, I'm the double eraser. Blue side for bold marks, white side for clean finishing. I'm 2 erasers in 1. A multitasking hero. Why settle for less when you can have both? Hey, I'm the Dome's eraser. I'm the star of the squad. Not only do I erase mistakes perfectly, but I also sharpen pencils, and guess what? I smell like vanilla every time you use me. Homework feels sweeter, fresher, and more fun. I'm stylish, useful, and honestly, I think I might just be your new best friend in the pencil box. Namaste. I'm the Apsara's non-dust eraser. I keep your pages clean without leaving dust behind. Simple, neat, and trusted by generations. Sometimes classic, never fade. Hello, I'm the famous Natraj Dust Clear Eraser. Red and black. You'll find me in every student's pencil box. I'm small, but I've got a big reputation. Quick, neat, and always ready to help. And that's the Eraser Squad. From crayons to ponies, wheels to electric, from the classic Apsara to my favorite Dome's Eraser. Each one is unique and special in its own way. So, which eraser is your favorite? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stationery fun. Bye!